Okay, so what we have here is a DIY dash cam using an old iPhone 5S. And what I did was I took a cheap GoPro mount that actually came off a Maganon camera from Aldi. I paid 35 bucks for it. And I thought, man, that would make a great dash cam mount for an iPhone. And then I picked up a selfie stick from the thrift store for 2 bucks, and I took the mount off the top, and then I reamed it out with a drill bit so that it would hold the screw for a GoPro mount screw, which I believe is an M5. The research that I've done. And so that just threads through there. And then we put a lock washer on there so I got 2 lock washers in the middle and 1 on the end here, and it's going to mount on the side. And then you just take your screwdriver and screw it in through the side. Super simple. Found this screw in the shop in in a drawer, but I think you can get them at Lowe's for like it's like 2 bucks a piece or something. So anyway, then when you get in the car, of course, that goes there, and here's your spacer. Then your phone is going to mount right here, right on your dash, and of course my car has a spot on the rear view to mount this, and it works pretty good.